Be it due to their flavor or their health benefits, grapes are one of the most popular fruits in the world. Purple grapes specifically are juicy and sweet, making them a hit with kids. Grapes have several different health benefits due to the antioxidants as well as the antiviral and antibacterial properties they contain. They are used as laxatives in order to prevent constipation, to improve digestion. Their regular consumption can even prevent heart disease and cancer. However, in order to obtain all of their benefits, it's best to consume good quality grapes, preferably organic ones that don't contain pesticides or other harmful substances. In order to make sure you're eating quality fruit, why not plant your own? It's not hard to take care of grapes, but it all depends on the temperature of where you live. Fruit is so sensitive to its surroundings that its flavor can change according to where it was planted and how it was taken care of. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to plant your own grapes at home, step by step. First of all, it's important to note that the best time to plant is in the winter. Then you need to take at least 4 grape seeds, any kind of grape, and put them in a cup of water, leaving them there for about 24 hours. After the time is up, the seeds should be floating in the water. If they aren't floating, remove the seeds and repeat the process with new seeds. Once that is done, fill a container with fertilized soil. Make 4 little holes in the ground and put 1 seed in each hole. Finally, cover the holes with soil and wet them with a little water. You should wait about 8 weeks to see any signs of germination. Once you do, move your plants to a larger pot so they can grow easily. As soon as the plant reaches 30 centimeters, remove it from its container and plant it outside. Before doing so, clean the area and dig a hole that's roughly 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Consider these tips. It's normal for the branches to grow disproportionately. If this happens, tie them to some wooden or metal rods so the vine grows straight and doesn't break. Make sure to get rods that can support the weight of the branches. Make sure that the grapes are in direct sunlight and get fresh water every day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.